Hi, good day everyone. My name is Panna. Today I'm going to present to you on the project that I have worked on, which is bank customer prediction. Let me give you an overview. In this presentation, we are going to see what I mean by customer churn and why is it important to identify the important factors that drive this process. Also, how can we improve our process to reduce churn and how to predict such customer in early stages. Problem statement. Customer churn is the percentage of customers that stop using bank's product or service during a certain time frame. Just like any other business fraternity, a local bank has been seeing some customers leaving them at a rather increased rate. Objective: to predict if a customer will churn or not by identifying and visualize those factors based on available features. Secondly, build a predictive model identifying customer who pose a risk of leaving the bank. And finally, offer some recommendation against churn. I've used awesome framework in this project, which was taught in this bootcamp. So step one is obtain data. This data set I obtained from Kaggle. As you can see here, it contains of 10,000 data and total of 14 columns, which is 11 continuous variable and 3 categorical variable. Step two is scrub data. By performing data cleaning, I identified that there is no missing values in this data set. The exit column is the target variable to identify customer who churn and not churn. Next, I have removed unwanted columns such as row number, customer ID, and surname to perform EDA on explore data, which is step number 3. After performing EDA, I will do modeling and interpretation. Okay, this pie chart shows that we lost about 20% of the customers, which is 2,337 out of 10,000 customers, and retained about 80% of the customer consists of 7,963. By observing this correlation matrix, age has the strongest relation which exit, which is 0.29. Here we can make the following comment. As the age of customer increase, the rate of losing customer also increase. It shows a positive strong relationship. Followed by gender balance have the positive correlation with the exit churn. First chart is age. Yes, as I said while analyzing the correlation matrix, as the age of the customer increase, the customer losing rate also increase, which is identified at over the age of 40 years old. Second and third chart shows that tenure and estimated salary of our customers are uniformly distributed, means we have around same number of customers for all tenure period and different estimated salary. As you can see on credit score chart, majority of our customers are having credit score less than 700, which the ideal score should be more than or equals to 700. We can conclude that customer with low credit score has tendency to exit. It shows that we have more number of non-reliable customers. On the balance chart, most of our customers have bank balance normally distributed except around estimation 3,600 customers have zero bank balance. On gender chart shows female have the higher churn rate compared to male customer, while on geography, average loss of customers is highest in Germany country. On the first chart shows that while most customers with one product were second highest, they still pose a higher churn rate. So people with two products tend to stay in terms of customer retention. Second chart shows that customers who have credit card have higher churn. And finally, customers who do not actively use the bank leave the bank more. The balance chart shows somewhat same behavior except that customer with high balance tends to churn a little more. And the age chart shows the older age customer are churning at more than the younger would be due to a difference in service preference in the age category. The bank may need to review their target market or review the strategy for retention between the different age group. Okay, this is the decision tree. The Customer which age less than 42.5, having the number of product more than 2.5 and balance more than 55,948 will mostly churn. The customer with age more than 50, having the active status less than 50% will mostly churn as well. The customer with age more than 42.5, showing the active status more than 50% and number of product more than 2.5 will mostly churn also. And finally, the business recommendation. So considering the geography, customer in Germany have the tendency to churn. Bank need to focus on improving facilities in Germany. This can be done, for example, adding on more bank branches and enough ATM machines in Germany. So this will increase advertisement or promotion for new user and the retained user as well. Second is older people who are aged above 40 might need a better product promotion, such as better retirement plan and higher interest rate on investment package. So in this case, we're supposed to target such customer and offer them a better offer in order to retain them. Third is banks should engage more with female customer by giving them facilities like welcoming goodies for joining bank or promote entrepreneurship among female business customers. Lastly, bank should focus on getting level customer because high number of customers have credit score less than 700, which is ideal score. So thank you very much. This is my